Hi, it's David at TMD Motorhomes, and today I'm going to show you around this amazing Malibu by Carthago. It is the model T430 KB-LE, which is 2 single beds in the rear over this amazing elevated garage area. Finished in black cab work with amazing decals. It's got alloy wheels, electric engine step, automatic, and the build quality is out of this world. Take a look inside. Of course you love this video, and there's plenty more across socials. Check them out.